Filipinos. So, if you were to give a souvenir to the cast from your own countries, well, alam mo hindi Filipino, from your country, respective countries, what would that souvenir be? Yes, Hans. Nakatingin sila sa'yo. Hindi yung souvenir.
Since from Nicaragua ako. Wow, Jacqueline. Pinakangati si Mama Mary sa atin. Yung Belen na lang! Yung Belen! Kasi, yung Belen, ay po. Ayan. Actually, might as well, di ba? Parang tayo lang, parang Philippines lang yung may Belen.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not sure pero
Marami tayong ano.
kahit, alam ko hindi sila Catholic, pero
Hindi naiintindihan ni Tio.
Translate.
Translate. I wanna give you the, that's what we call the immaculate.
The sheep.
Also sick.
How about you, Meg?
Bibigyan ko Barong Tagalog.
Oh!
Right?
Parang, you know the Philippine
National.
costume is for men, it's called Barong Tagalog. It would actually look good on you. Slay.
Mas pikit na lang si Teo.
Kasi ilagay sa box. Oh, yan sa mga ni Lara. Okay, how about you, Theo? What would be the souvenir from Korea that you can give the cast as a memorabilia?
The stuff from Korea?
Yeah, something we don't usually hear of.
10 million won?
Wow!
I like that. How to be your friend. Okay, for the next question. Kindly finish the title based on your own thought. Finding Santos is equal to finding...
Sabi ko na to yan, sir, meaning. Finding meaning.
Kasi...
Yun na yun, kung ano nasabi kahapon yun na yun.
I don't know what you're gonna say.
Finding meaning is, finding sun. Well, technically, because the film really is to find meaning sa buhay natin, self-discovery, ano. It's not only literally finding Mr. Santos.
Okay, without saying anything, you watch the film to know what the meaning is. How about you, Meg?
Just like I said yesterday, finding Santos is equal to finding yourself. Yes. Kasi, copy-paste.
Skip the spoiler.
Because, of course, si Woojin po, throughout the story, he was trying to find Santos, but in the end, he ended up finding himself.
But the journey to get there, find out when you watch the film. Okay, Theo?
Yeah, finding Santos is equivalent of finding yourself, your meaning of your life. So yeah, we all navigate our own journey, in terms of our life. So this movie also related to that lessons. So yeah, finding your meaning of your life.
Okay, finding also meaning. So, kung ano yung meaning at yourself na yun, bala na kayo pag nanood kayo ng film. Okay, conclusions of the film. Where did you like best? Aurora. Baler.
Because of the beach.
It wasn't your first time going to Baler. Sige, never mind Hans.
Yes, ma'am.
It was, di ba, I think Baler is the, also surfing, di ba?
Surfing.
Were you able to, no, just focused on the set? But yeah, I also went to Baler parang 2 years ago and I was able to try surfing. I'm traumatized. I think I don't have balance on the board. How about you, Theo? Which of the cities you've been?
Same answer. Aurora was the best. Baler.
Baler.
Yeah, but what it was the severe rain when we were there.
Oh, wait,
so
really?
we didn't. Yeah, we couldn't do any surfing or something. But it's good enough. It was good enough to enjoy the vibe of the beach and the people, the resort
It
vibe.
didn't look like it rained. Pero it rained a lot. I'm glad you guys are safe. Safe nga ba? Kasi there was something in the BTS. So you have to watch it, guys, to know what we're talking